everyone, we're here in front of the Mitchell County Courthouse today by some rose bushes, and you might see some butterflies and bees flying around me, and that's awesome. We love pollinators here at the courthouse and around all of our plants. So one of our fun projects through 4-H is called Entomology, and if you've never heard of the word entomology, it's basically the study of insects. So if you think insects are cool, so do we. And one of the things we want to inspire you to do this month is to get out in nature and really look around and see what's around you. A lot of butterflies are flying outside right now because they are going through migration. So they're headed down south for the winter. So if you see some, they might be different kinds like painted ladies, monarchs, sulfur butterflies. So one fun project to do at home is to collect caterpillars and then raise them into butterflies or moths. So we're doing that right now, and here we have a woolly bear caterpillar, and all you have to do is get the caterpillar and some leaves for them to feed on, a little bit of water, and eventually they'll turn into whatever butterfly or moth that they are going to be. So butterflies go through a few life stages. They first start out as an egg, so a butterfly will lay an egg, and usually they're on the undersides of a leaf. So if you don't see the eggs in your garden, look on the bottom part of the leaf and you'll probably see a few eggs. They then turn into a larva, which is the caterpillar stage, a baby caterpillar, and then a big caterpillar. This is for a monarch. A lot of times their caterpillars are yellow and white, really big caterpillars. And then they turn into a chrysalis. So this is when they are transforming into a butterfly. Then they'll emerge, and finally you'll have the adult butterfly. And they usually live for about 6 weeks. And right now you'll probably see a lot of these outside because they're migrating down south. So these are some of the supplies you need for the 4-H entomology project. It's really fun and it allows you to get outdoors and be in nature quite a bit. So the first thing you get to do is collect the insects. So a lot of times you'll use something like a net to capture some of them. And right now is a really great time to find some butterflies. And in Kansas it's really not hard to find insects. They're always out crawling around. So the next step is to pin your insects, and this is also really fun. You get to, if you have butterflies, kind of spread their wings apart, spread out the legs on beetles and make them look like they're still alive and still, so you can see each part of the insect and really study it. And lastly, you get to put your collection into a really nice box and you sort them out by family. So you're putting similar insects together so you can really study the body parts, the patterns and the wings, and really learn more about all the insects. So it's a really fun project. If you're looking for something new to do in 4-H or want to get outdoors and learn more about our Kansas nature and prairie, then I encourage you to try entomology.